Howdy, howdy. This is Cindy with Love to Scrap for Fun. I'm going to quickly show you this because I don't have many minutes left in storage on my phone. This is a 9x6 hardcover junk journal going to be selling in my Etsy shop. I have done for the first time an open spine in a rectangle pattern, and there are 6 signatures in here, or is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signatures. This is a 3-inch spine and 9x6 covers. Tim Holtz curio knob held by an elastic band for the closure. There are the Tim Holtz metal corners. This is a padded envelope underneath, and just stitched around. Used the digital images from a gal that I bought off of Etsy. I can put the link in the description. Here's a Tim Holtz little metal embellishment there. Belly band. I made a master board out of all the scraps from the scrapbook paper and word pages from a book and whatnot, and I put the images from this digital kit as the focal point. Used a lot of machine stitching with black thread so it shows out, and you could see that the binding or the spine is held on by fabric, and so it lays really flat. It's a really flat one because it's held on by fabric. The back cover has a pocket. I'll just quickly show you. This is a bookmark. Use some stamping in here and ruffles, and there's 6 lace ruffles, and each ruffle has a charm held by a bulb pin. There's a cat. This is toe beans with a kitty paw on it. This is a butterfly. There's 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope I didn't say 6. And there's a little kitty in a coffee cup. This is vellum page. This is avocado dye papers, ledger papers, and lots of coffee dyed papers in here. This took me lots of hours to work on this. Everything is edging. These are handmade tickets that I made to put in each of these little pockets. I did stamping and edge inked them, stamps. I put a lot of time and care into this. Did a lot of machine stitching around the perimeters of the signature cover pages. Made a bunch of snippets from the scraps and the digital images that came with the kit. I love this page. I love it with the legs in there. It's a little more personal. Journal card from the masterboard. Tag. Little pocket I did with the from the masterboard. A rub-on sentiment. Little cute little kitty peeking up there. Some more rub-ons. This is a flip out card with the washi tape, kitty washi tape, and a couple journal pages. And there's a card in here, a blank card, more washi tape. This is a mini notepad. Of course, you got to have some notepads in here. And this extends out longer. Handmade envelope out of lightweight scrap paper with a little manila folder and a scrap to journal on. I made this little coin envelope, added a little journal tag. There's another snippet. Another handmade envelope with some writing places. Couple of notepad papers. Cute washi tape here. Cool little one-of-a-kind paper clip from my stash with an envelope, and there's a little piece of paper inside to write on. Calendar, and this one I did put some file folder pieces in there. Cute kitty. And this one is the middle one. You can still add things underneath that signature thread there. This one has a place to write on. This is some tags with some layered pockets. Here's the journal card. This is a altered paper clip, and I just put it here on this journal card, and a couple of journal cards. This is another, oh, I thought that was the vellum page. Cute images and stamping. Little paper sack with a belly band and a tag with a flower and another tag, journal tag, goes inside there. Some blue dyed paper. The middle of this one has a color page you can color. I did edge ink it so to define the edges, and did some stenciling. There's a little snippet that says Cat Mom. And here's another little mini notepad I made. There's a little pocket there. And I put some little fortunes in there in that little pocket. You'll have to buy it just so you can see what your 3 fortunes are. skinny tag, the felt flower journal card, and here's just a journal card from one of the images, and the back has a bookmarker with the tassel, machine stitching, places to write on, and there's a little snippet there. It says Happy Pills, and that is it. Thank you so much, and I will put the link to this listing down below in the description. Thank you so much.